Hello, welcome back to Music for Androids. Today we're going to relaunch the channel while I build a little clock. Yeah, we've not posted for it must be 18 months now, which I apologise for. Life got in the way a little bit, but I think now I'm keen to get back into it. So I've not touched anything electrical for a lot of that time. I don't know if any of you know, we've got a young child. He's nearly 2 now, and I've had a few health issues. So messing about with electrics has been low priority. So I've forgotten pretty much everything now. Not that I knew much before, obviously. But hopefully we will be able to go on this little learning journey together. And we're going to make it a bit more organised this time. Instead of just as and when. We'll upload every Monday. And there's going to be a mix of making weird sounding things, a bit of circuit bending. I did a live stream last night actually with some circuit bending, reviewing soldering kits, this sort of thing, which I'm planning on building live. I've got a couple coming later today, so I'll try and do one of them every month. And just, yeah, what you guys think. I'm curious to see what you guys want to see. I'm just an idiot that sits under the stairs. That is literally where this setup is. I'm just trying to learn. So if any of you can help me learn, that would be greatly appreciated. Like I say, we're going to do things better this time. We've got 83 subscribers now, which in the grand scheme of things isn't many at all. But to me, that's shitloads, frankly. And I'm very grateful to every single one of you. And everyone that's watching as well, of course. But I just wanted to make a short video just to reacquaint ourselves, and then try and figure out what the hell I'm doing with this thing here. Because I started this project, well, when I was doing it last time, so over a year ago, probably getting on for 2 years ago now. And I haven't got a battery for it. I did pick some up today. Where are they? Oh. But they're all the wrong size, because I wasn't sure what I needed. So, yeah, I have to go back to the shops. Well, I think this will be about the level of video for the time being. Because, like I say, I don't really know what I'm doing. But we can learn together, can't we? And look at the state of this soldering. Oh my gosh. Let me tweeze this. Trying to keep things a bit more tidy this time as well. Which isn't the easiest thing in the world. Right, let's give you all a good laugh. Terrible, absolutely terrible. Right, I'm going to crack on with this. We'll come back when it's finished, and it won't be working because I haven't got a battery, but it's better than nothing in it. Right, thanks. Okay, we're back. 60 LEDs soldered on. We've got 4 left over as well. Bonus. Right, so I'm sure some of you might have noticed my little mistake there when I said I haven't got a battery. I don't have a battery, but I do have a power port. Unfortunately, I can't find something with the right connection. Unless I don't think I've got one in here. No. So I'll keep looking for that. Just saves getting a battery. But for now, let's pop this on. And then we can see it all complete together. If we can get this in. There we go. So it'll be useful this, because then I've got a clock in my little understairs den. I want to call it the Android's Dungeon, but that's Simpsons, isn't it? So probably not allowed. So I'm sorry about the quality of this video. It's a little bit rushed because I've got work in a bit, but hopefully it gives you an idea of the sort of thing we'll be doing here. Once I've got this on, I'll get out some bits we've been playing about with recently. Well, last night. I'm curious to get people's opinions on stuff. There we go. Hopefully I've not put that on upside down. It's quite possible. Let's take this off. Is that protective? Yes. Oh, look at that. Right then. So we're going to pop that to one side. I have seen a connection for this recently. I can't think where on earth it is. But now, let's take a little look at what we made last night. So this was on the live stream for the most part. I did start on it a couple of days previous, just to try and get back into doing all this. So as you can see, it's a VTech kids toy.
Hello.
All very exciting.
I am the bird. I am the bird. I am the bird.
And
Bird.
nothing's working.
Find the ape.
Let's try a little bit of percussive force.
Find the number 1.
Well, that's unusual.
I am the cat. Bird. Bird.
So the power starve is working, but that's it. Well, I think there is another, it's a good spot to finish this video, and it's going to be another video trying to figure out why the hell this isn't working. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you're interested to see that, stick around. We'll get a video of this turned down and figure out why it's not working. And we'll also get a battery for this. Just fire it up, it'll go on the wall nicely in here, this will. So yeah, thanks for watching. Music for Androids again. It's nice to be back, and hope you have a nice day.